little explorers.
Welcome back to Little Roches World.
Let's learn about animals. First, we will go through wild animals. Do you know which are they? Let's start.
Do you know who am I? I am lion, the king of the jungle. I am tiger. We are excellent hunters and swimmers, most magnificent and powerful in the world. Hey, I am giraffe. I have the best view up here. Want to know what the treetops look like from above? I am deer. I can leap and bound through meadows. Who wants to join me in a graceful jump? I am elephant. I am the largest land animal on Earth. We are known for intelligence, memory, and strong family bonds. We use our trunks for grabbing things. Do you know who am I? I am fox. I'm clever and quick. Can you outsmart me in a game of wits? I am panda. Bamboo is my favorite snack. What's your favorite food? We are black and white bears. Our cuddly appearance and playful antics make people love us. I am monkey. Swinging through the trees is my specialty. Who wants to join the jungle gym fun? Now we will see farmyard animals. They are domesticated animals commonly found on farms or in our homes. I am cow. I am raised for milk. I am sheep. I am raised for wool, meat, lamb or mutton, and sometimes milk. I am goose. I am raised for meat, eggs, and sometimes feathers. I am horse. I am raised for transportation, agriculture, and more recently for recreation, horse riding and horse races. I am chicken. I am raised for meat and eggs. I am goat. I am raised for milk, meat, chevin or goat meat, and sometimes fiber. I am pig. I am raised for meat, pork. I am donkey. I am raised for various tasks on the farm, such as carrying loads. I am duck. I am raised for eggs and meat. I am rabbit. I am raised as a pet and sometimes for meat.
Thank you for watching Little Roches World. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to ring the bell icon for more videos. Bye kids.